Hey everyone, so today I have another Shinwoo haul for you, and so I got their Bday Alone set, thanks to my own wallet. I bought a whole case and I bought some Lonely Moon badges, and when you buy a whole case, Finding Unicorn had like a deal, so it came with this sticker sheet from the Lonely Moon, and it's really cute, and it's kind of holographic too. They also came with three boxes. So one of them is this Happy Birthday pin set, and this is from their original birthday set from years ago. And it came with two random blind boxes. It gave me a Happy Dream from the RICO series and a Farmer Bob, but it's Bob Retro Replay. Not a big fan of Farmer Bob, but we'll see what we get. So let's open the big case. So let's just put everything to the side. We have the Happy Birthday, or Bday Alone series, and it has a happy birthday cake on it. And it comes with 12 different cases. So we have the Bday Alone, and it has this one on the cover. It's holding an alone balloon. And then here are the ones that we can get. So there are 12 different designs and 2 hiddens right here. The one I really want is the Happy Birthday to Me. That's the one I really want, and then the Bday Alone one. And out of the 2 secrets, I want the Ghost Bear. I could go without the non-Ghost Bear, but we'll see what we get. So the goal of this video is to get at least one unique card and try to see if we can get one hidden. Okay, so we're gonna open one up and see what we get. Oh wow, we got a unique card from the very get-go. So it's Don't Break My Heart, and it has a little bear right here, and that's so cute. It has a little cup on its head. Oh, how do we got a unique card already? Okay, we have good news. Starting good. Next one. So this one we got the Ticking Bomb, and it's a little ghost bear with a dynamite on its head right here, and it has a little microphone, but on behind it's kind of a bomb. And then here's the card for it. Going on to the next one. Okay, so we got the Bday Alone one, which is the one on the cover, and here it is. It's so vibrant. It has a little caution tape on one ear and a little balloon banner that says Alone. Oh, so sad. So we're going on to the 4th one. So far, no hiddens, but we did get one unique card. So we got Sad B-Day Cake, and here it is. It has a little bear inside a cake, and it says Alone right here, and there's a bite taken out of it. Okay, so we opened 1/3. We have 4 boxes open already. So I'm thinking let's open a couple of these Lonely Moon badges. So it's basically the whole series that you can get from the Lonely Moon series. So I want the ones that I really want, which would be the Moon Eraser or Revenger. And then I kind of want Rainbow Pour Now or Lost in Space, so these 4. And then the hiddens, the 2 secrets. Let's go ahead and open and see what we get. Oh, and we got Love Shooter. So it's the one that's like inside a little tank. So it looks like this part is interactive because you can actually spin it around, which is pretty cool. And then the heart is see-through. Let's open one more. Please, no doubles. Oh, and we got Paint with Tears. So this one is the blue bunny that's painting, and it looks like this part moves as well. And let's do one more. So we're gonna do one more opening. Okay, no doubles, no doubles, no doubles. Oh, we got the yellow bunny. We have Star Maker. So I think this one moves too. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, there's no moving in this one. There's the yellow bunny with the little star half painted, and then it's the little paint roller. So far, no doubles, which is very good. Okay, we're gonna continue on with our little Shinwoos. So Bday Alone, we still need to get a hidden and some more unique cards. So we got the Nobody here. So it's a little bear parting by itself with a little tear and has a broken invitation. Oh, poor bear. So lonely. Next one. So we have the One Small Bite card, and it's a little cake, and it's like made out of resin, and it's kind of stuck in the cake. There's a little heart bite taken out of it in the back, and then a little container that goes on top. We're at the halfway mark, so we're gonna open our 7th one. And we got the No Gift For Me. It's a little bear hidden inside a little present. And this is actually really cute. Look at the little butt right here. Let's zoom in. Look at the little butt all zoomed in. And it says Fragile Handle with Care. Oh, this one's actually really, really cute. I like this one. Okay, what's stressing me out is that we're halfway through and I still haven't gotten the happy birthday cake yet. And I don't want a repeat of the Secret Garden, which, you know, where I'm missing the one I really, really want. But we're gonna hope that's not the case. Let's go ahead and open. Yes! Manifested. We got our Happy Birthday to Me. So here's the card. It's a melted cake. And it's all glossy everywhere. And in the back it says Happy Birthday to Me. And it has a little berry on top. I love this one. This is going in the display case. Okay, so we have about 4 left. I'm gonna open these 2 ones here because they're the ones I'm not very excited about, and we'll leave the badges for the end. So for the Retro Bob series, there's all these we can get. I don't really want any of them, so we'll just see what we get. We got the Top of Soul Bob. And it comes with a little microphone right here. But we're just gonna put him back in the box because we don't need we don't need that. Let's see what RICO we got though. Frog RICO. Wait, this is cute. And it's holding a little guitar. You know, I might keep this one. This is adorable, actually. I love it. Here is Frog RICO. And then the little card. Okay, last 4. So we have 4 chances to get a hidden. And we have the Don't Move. And I actually like this one a lot too. Because it's a little bear holding a needle to a balloon and it's like saying don't move. And there's a happy birthday balloon in the back. And little stitches on the butt. Next one. And then we got the Alone inside. It's a little box that says don't open, and inside there's a little sleeping ghost bear in here. And my friend did tell me that if you put it up to the dark, it does glow. But I'm filming this in the daytime, so I don't have that option right now. Come on, secret. Come on, secret. So we got the canceled invitation. So it's a little ghost bear wearing a mask. It has a lighter that says happy birthday and then a letter with flames. And it has this like tattoo on its chest. And it's wearing a mask. It's wearing like a really cute mask, but then it looks pretty scary. I do like the resin and then like the mask, the contrast and the textures, but I just think this is kind of a creepy one to begin with. This is the last one. Come on, hidden. So we got the sweet trap, and it's a little jello piece with a little bear stuck inside, and it's really cool. It's actually one piece, so you can't open it up or anything. So we didn't get any hiddens, but it's okay. We still have 3 more blind boxes to open. We have 2 Lonely Moon badges. Ooh, and we actually got the Little Moon. So the Little Moon actually has like this little window here that can open and close. That's cute. We have 1 more to open. Yes! And we got the Moon Eraser. And then the eraser moves. It spins. Look, it spins. Look at it, it's so cute. This is my favorite one from the set, and it's clear. I love this one. I'm so happy. We got the one I really wanted. Now, this is the last one. So we have the Happy Birthday pin set. And let's zoom in. So these are the different ones from the original series. Okay, so the one I really want, I'd say it'd be ice cream cake and cream cake. And then the milk tea one's adorable too. So those 3 are the ones I really wish for. I wouldn't mind any of the secrets, but those are the 3 I really want. This one, this one, this one. It looks like we got Cookie. This one's an actual pin, unlike the other ones, which are magnets, which I think I prefer the magnets more. But we have our little cookie pin. Okay, so this is everything that I got. I'm so happy that we got 1 unique card, but my favorite one's gotta be the Happy Birthday to Me cake. And I do like the No Gift for Me and my Birthday Alone. And I'm so excited that we actually got the Moon Eraser pin as well. So we didn't get any hiddens, but I'd say this is still a very successful haul. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.